All right, folks, welcome to this very short, quick unboxing and/or review of a beautiful set of brand spanking new Firmoo sunglasses. The company reached out to me. They asked me, hey, would you like us to send you a set of sunglasses for an unboxing and review? I said, of course I would love that because, folks, I've been using probably for the past 4, maybe 5 years now, these old, scruffy, probably a no-name brand sunglasses here for the past 3, 4, maybe 5 years now. So when they reached out to me, they asked me, Chris, would you like us to send you a pair of sunglasses for an unboxing and review? I said, of course, in just a split second. They offer probably 50, 60 pairs. They offer a ton, a huge variety of different eyeglasses, sunglasses. It's all available on their website. You will find a link to their website in the link in the description box below with a special promo code of mine, which you can enter at checkout to save yourself some money at checkout. Without further ado, let's have a look at these glasses here. So the brand name, as I mentioned, is called Firmoo, Firmoo. So first thing we get in the box right here is a gift card here. And by the way, you can also order custom prescription lenses if you so need them directly on their website. Just provide them with the information and they can custom make glasses like that with custom lenses prescription if you need to. So here's the first thing we have in the box. A lovely little gift card, followed by share your glasses on different types of social media, if you will. Right here is what it says. We also have a bit of a pamphlet, I guess, right here, showing you how to care for your sunglasses here, or your prescription glasses, whatever you decide to order from their website. By the way, a beautiful hard case here, which your sunglasses will be inside, followed by a very soft little case right over here. Now, the first thing you may realize when you open your sunglasses up and you have them in your hand is just how well built they feel. These things feel like a tank. They feel very, very well built in the hand. Let's go ahead and try them on. Very, very nice. Now, before I shot this unboxing, I actually went for a road bike ride on my Canyon road bike, of course. It was about maybe 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So the sun was still out, but it was slowly starting to set. These glasses did a phenomenal job, of course, out in the elements, protecting your eyes from the sunlight. Now, because I do about 99% road cycling and about 1% gravel cycling, the entire time I will be wearing a helmet. So I'm just going to demonstrate to you all how these sunglasses look and feel with a cycling helmet on. So there they are on while wearing a helmet. Let's have a look at the other side there. They fit very, very nicely. These are extremely, extremely comfortable sunglasses, folks. Also, I want to also mention, while I was cycling, the sun did, of course, set, and it then became dark. Even though it was dark while wearing these sunglasses, I was still able to see very, very nicely. I was able to see the road in front of me. And another thing which these glasses do a really nice job on is when you're going towards traffic, let's say I'm going this way and a car's coming directly at me, the opposite direction, and they got those really bright blue HID headlights. These do an amazing job at really just blocking out that glare of those headlights. With my old sunglasses here, these scruffy, scummy old sunglasses of mine, the lenses themselves, they're starting to fade. They track fingertips very well. These do a pretty good job, obviously, in the daylight, but when the sun goes down and you don't feel like taking off your glasses, if you just want to protect your eyes from the oncoming traffic, those do not do a good job. However, these Firmoos, they feel so nice too when they're on. Here's a little look at them. They did an amazing job, like I said, blocking out that very bright glare of those blue HID headlights from oncoming traffic. You can probably wear these if you're a jogger, if you want to get outside, jog, trail hiking, walking, whatever you may be, whatever your commute is. These sunglasses should fit the bill, and they are very, very affordable. As I mentioned, this brand name, Firmoo, head over to their website. Even if you don't need a new pair of sunglasses, go to their website and just have a look at the vast variety, the assortment, the huge selection that this company here offers. These are extremely, extremely comfortable, very, very affordable sunglasses. Like I said, in the hand, they feel very, very well built. And I think they look pretty neat too. Let's have another look at them on my helmet, because for my personal use cases, I do a ton of road cycling. That's what I spend most of my time outdoors doing. And they fit beautifully right underneath the helmet here. So there's another look at it. So folks, if you want to have a look at these sunglasses here, or not even these exact ones, even if you have a prescription lenses, they do that for you. Just let them know. They have a huge selection. Head over to their website. If you are interested in picking up a pair of these glasses or whatever else they have to offer, because they have one big, big selection, make sure to use that code. I'll pop it up on screen right now. I will also put up on the screen the exact model of these glasses on the screen down below. Check them out. You know, they have a very, very big selection of glasses. They feel really, really nice, and I think they look pretty darn good too. The build quality, 5 out of 5. When I'm cycling out on the road in the bright daylight, very, very nice. Also, I would have liked to have shot this video outside in the elements, in the sun, but right now it's like 9:15 in the evening, and it's pretty darn cold out right now this time of year here in Ontario. So that's going to wrap up my unboxing and review of these beautiful Firmoo sunglasses, folks. I will have a link to this website in the description. I'll even pin it in the comment down below with the promo code you can use to save yourself some money. Until next time, folks, you've been watching another video, another review unboxing, specifically of these fantastic Firmoo sunglasses.